Hi friends, let me show you this Pawious electric fence for dogs. You can create a space in the open so your pets, your dogs can be free, but with the proper training they will understand where they cannot go farther, okay? So it's really important to understand that you have to train your pet to get the results you want, okay? Okay. This equipment comes with the user manual, all the information that you need, and it works with a GPS receiver. This is the actual collar, okay? You get the contact points, the silicone covers, and a testing unit. The charging cable, you charge it with a USB-A port, and you can cut the collar to fit your dog's neck, okay? This unit, when programmed correctly, will give the dog three kinds of reactions if he wants to leave the fence. First, it can emit a beeping sound. Second, it can vibrate. And third, it will give the dog a small electric shock so he understands that he is not allowed to go further, okay? You even get these training accessories. You can put them in the edge of the free zone or play zone, so the pet will understand that he can't go further than these orange signs, okay? So if you have a large patio or you have your pet in a ranch or in an open space and you want him to stay in a specific place, instead of using a leash or whatever, this is a great option to have a free zone, a playing zone for your pet, and be able to rest that he will obey and respect that space, okay? So let's fit it in my pets. Now we are going to try the collar in my pet. Hey! Okay. Of course, you can cut the collar if it's too long, as it looks to be here. Okay. So that's the way it goes. And of course, we should cut a little bit of the collar, but that's the way you should use it in your pet. Perfect.